Hey guys, so today I will show you how to block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. So let's start it. So first, let's open up WhatsApp. And from here, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner and tap on Settings. And from the following options, tap on Privacy. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Block Contacts. So in here, you will see the list of contacts that you blocked. To block a contact, simply tap on the plus icon on the upper right side of your screen and select the contact that you want to block. Now for this video, let's choose this one. Now this contact is blocked. To unblock a contact, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner of your screen, scroll down to Privacy, and then tap Block Contacts. And from here, tap on the contact that you want to unblock, and then tap on Unblock Contact. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.